Yo, hey guys, Ken Perriman here, and I'm back again with another product. And it is this guy right here. It is the Poeville. I'm probably butchering the name, I do apologize. It's the Poeville Slim Wallet for Men, front pocket RFID blocking minimalist wallet. Let's go ahead and get right into it. It's in this box. Nice package. This would be great for a gift, stocking stuffer, anything like that. I think it's packaged really nice. You will appreciate, I know the guy in your family will definitely appreciate this, but this is, wow, I like this. And it's got this carbon fiber style on the body with this green. Another cool thing here is you have replacement screws that will replace basically all these screws if you need to perform any maintenance. They do have some Loctite on those threads, so once they're put in, they'll lock in. So I'm not going to loosen it. The reason why you want to do that is because there's a band in there, a flexible band that allows you to, and let's see how it opens. There you go, that's how it opens. It allows you to flex this in and out if this ever gets damaged. I believe you could probably order another one and then you just take this apart and that's how it fits in there. So hopefully you'll never have to use this. You've got a little rubber arm here. It's got these grooves on here and it's really a stout little tool. I like that. Also inside the box, before we get into playing with putting cards in there, and I'll even, this is hard to get out. Okay, so digging in here, we get this card. You see it here. It's the 1-year warranty. Please send your order number to the email at service at, within 7 days after you receive this. So please send this in after, within 7 days to the specific email, and you'll get and activate your 1-year warranty. After your 1-year warranty is activated, if there's any problems with the item, we'll replace it for you or refund you anytime. Please don't forget to email us. And instructions. Oh, that's cool. Put in the credit cards, insert the ID card, push out your cards, find your cards. Very straightforward, very simple. But let's go ahead and walk you through it. So obviously I'm not going to go ahead and put out my real ID, but what's really cool is that you have this guy right here so that you can place your ID right there. So have this in your wallet. Anybody, hey, you got any ID? Boom, there you go. That's me. And then of course you want to push it out. Boop. There you go. The only reason why you're pulling that out and giving it to someone is, there you go, officer. I swear to God, I didn't see that stop sign. Let me show you down here once again. Boop, pop it out just by pushing up on this. Pull it out, hand it out. There you go. Very simple to keep this locked in. And again, very visible, very quick. Show any ID you need to. You can just show it. Could even be used something like maybe you don't want to use this as a wallet for your daily driver necessarily, but maybe you want to go ahead and keep like company information in here, keep business cards, and then maybe your company work ID or something to that effect. Maybe this is something that you can scan and you have to show it at security when you walk through. So you might as well go ahead and have something like this. Many different ideas, but let's get into putting your credit cards in here. Now, what I have is basically what simulates, I say simulate because I do actually have credit cards in here, but I am not going to show you guys what my credit cards are. What you want to do is slide your cards in like so. They are then locked in. See that? They're held in by these two bands here, but they're also pushed in and locked in by these two bands down here. So you can push them in even further if you'd like to make sure that they're locked in. Yeah, they're in there. And then you have this pocket to push up whatever it is you need to push up. Maybe you need to fan through whatever credit card you're looking for, pull it out, shove it back in. You are good to go. Let me show you, since I don't really carry cash on me, but let me give you an idea. As an example, you have this small, maybe paper, right? So let's say this is a 20 spot you got on you, right? So you want to go ahead and pop that in there. Oh wow, this thing locks in really good. So you're gonna have to actually pick that up, lock it into place, and it's pivoting right there. It's holding on. So it's meant to hold on. It's holding on really good. So probably after a little bit of time, it'll maybe have a little more flex to it. But right now, this thing is not letting go. And I'm going to tell you, I'm kind of a fan of these type of wallets because if you see here, I have another one here. I'm switching over. This is now going to be my daily driver. I'm going to use this every day because I like this type of wallet. I like this minimalist kind of idea, and I think this is really cool. And very easy to get your ID out and go, hey, there I am. Really nice and really cool design. I really do like it. I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.